Thoughts?
Yes.
What's up, everyone? Today we're doing another quick exhaust video. We're going to be installing an Invidia R400 exhaust on my buddy's 2015 STI. Stock downpipe for now, but that won't last long. Just waiting for him on this beautiful day. I still need to do a proper introduction on this gal here that I picked up. She's currently under the knife, as you can see. But stay tuned, I'll do a full video on that. There's the man of the hour. Good. Let's do this.
Do you want me to like do a certain so you could say you revved it to like 3,000, or you want to like just go for it?
Just go for it. I mean, 90% of people know what a stock STI sounds like. Do what you feel's right. Alright, this is stock. Obvious. Alright. Time to switch that out.
Yeah, buddy. I just knocked this off here.
You're breaking the garage thing.
Which way is it going? So it goes.
It's never gonna work again.
I hope so. Dun, dun, dun.
It's like Christmas.
It's like Christmas, right? We need something to put this on.
You got a tarp? Oh yeah. Yeah, they've been all around. Doesn't seem that high.
That'll do. I saw them do it a couple different ways on the install. Like they installed, put the cat back together, and then they brought it all in. It was one unit.
Was that easier that way?
I don't know. It seemed like that way.
Did they have a lift in that video?
I don't remember.
So where the stock downpipe meets the stock mid pipe, it's two spring-loaded 14 millimeters. Is that what you're saying?
Well, no. I'm saying that one end is 14, and the other end is 12.
12.
Mm-hmm. The
Very interesting.
The nut is 12.
The nut is 12.
The other end, the bolt, is 14.
Okay, good. So John here is taking off the bolts from the stock downpipe to the stock mid pipe. They're spring-loaded. One's... if this damn camera would freaking focus. Alright, it's 12 millimeters on one side and 14 on the other.
Correct.
And then it's one piece all the way back to the mufflers, which is just two 12 millimeter bolts. So we'll take those off.
It's recording.
Are you sure?
The time's going up, so that must mean it's recording, right?
I think so. Could you see my nuts from down there, that angle? You got a good angle on these nuts. So where the mufflers meet up here, it's actually a 12 millimeter nut with a 13 on the back side.
Pretty big, huh? Yeah, they are. I wonder it's so quiet.
They're real big. Strong hands. Oh yeah.
Good.
What's holding this mid pipe on? Just one?
Just one.
Good.
Got it?
Yep. Here she comes.
All right.
She's a long one.
How come you didn't call Chip?
I know, right? It's a three-man job for sure.
Hey, what's that camera piece over there?
Yeah.
Show them what you're working with. Alright, good.
OEM downpipe to 3-inch catback adapter.
So since John's a little pussy boy, we're gonna have to do a stock downpipe It's a 3-inch catback adapter. Sold by Grimspeed. Open that bad boy up. Ooh. Alright, zinc coated hardware here. The adapter.
High performance
3-inch gasket.
gasket.
And besides that, you'll need a stock donut gasket from Subaru. It's about 20 bucks. Let's get started. Okay, we got everything installed loosely. Now we're just gonna play with it until everything's tight and sits right. Tight and right. First startup, cold start.
Here we go.
Not so good. Time for the old test drive.
Let's do it. It's like 2,000 to 2,500.
It's rumbly.
Yeah.
I hear Cal say downpipe helps with drone.
Does it?
Yeah,
Does it? Does it?
I think it does.
Does it? Alright, ready?
Thoughts?
Yes.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.